In this video, learn how to integrate Claude into Agile software design processes to enhance workflows and boost team efficiency. Did you know that integrating AI into your Agile design process can boost your team's efficiency by up to 40%? Welcome to our video on how to use Claude for Agile software design. Today, we're diving deep into how this powerful tool can revolutionize your Agile workflows. From setting up a collaborative workspace to automating documentation, we'll explore how Claude can be your game changer in rapid development cycles. Stay tuned as we unlock the secrets to seamless integration and enhanced team collaboration in Agile environments.
Claude is not just another tool, it's a comprehensive solution designed to integrate seamlessly with Agile methodologies. Its capabilities extend beyond simple task management. It facilitates iterative development by providing real-time insights and suggestions, which are crucial for making informed decisions quickly. Imagine a tool that can analyze your project's data and suggest the most efficient route to completion. That's what Claude brings to the table. In Agile frameworks, where time is of the essence, Claude's ability to streamline processes and reduce bottlenecks can lead to significant improvements in delivery times and quality.
Setting up a collaborative workspace with Claude is a breeze, and it starts with creating an environment that fosters open communication and collaboration. Begin by setting up your team profiles and organizing them into project-specific groups. Claude allows you to customize workspaces to align with your project needs, ensuring that everyone has access to the right tools and data. Integrate popular communication tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams to streamline interactions. Remember, managing user permissions is crucial for maintaining data integrity and security, so make sure you configure these settings carefully.
In Agile development, feedback is the backbone of continuous improvement. With Claude, setting up real-time feedback loops becomes intuitive and effective. Claude's analytics provide instant updates, allowing teams to respond swiftly to changes in client inputs. This capability ensures that you remain aligned with client expectations and project goals. For instance, if a client requests a change, Claude can immediately alert the team and suggest potential solutions based on previous data. This not only improves team responsiveness but also enhances the quality of the final product by making the development process more dynamic and client-focused.
Documentation is often seen as a tedious task, but with Claude, it becomes a seamless part of your workflow. Claude offers automated templates and reports, significantly reducing the time spent on manual documentation. This automation not only saves resources but also minimizes errors often caused by manual entry. Imagine generating comprehensive project reports with just a few clicks, complete with all necessary data and analytics. This feature allows your team to focus more on development and innovation rather than paperwork, enhancing productivity and ensuring that all stakeholders are kept up to date with accurate information. One of Claude's greatest strengths is its compatibility with existing Agile tools like Jira, Trello, and Asana. This integration process is smooth and hassle-free, allowing you to enhance your current workflows without disruption. By integrating Claude, you can leverage its advanced analytics and automation features to maximize the efficiency of your existing tools. For example, Claude can pull data from Jira to provide a holistic view of project progress and potential bottlenecks. This synergy between tools ensures that your team can work smarter, not harder, achieving better results in less time. Effective communication is at the heart of any successful Agile team, and Claude elevates this by integrating communication tools for real-time updates and alerts. Whether your team is in the office or working remotely, Claude ensures that everyone stays connected and informed. The platform facilitates seamless collaboration by providing instant access to project updates, task assignments, and team discussions. This connectivity not only improves team dynamics but also enhances the overall efficiency and effectiveness of your Agile processes. By ensuring that everyone is on the same page, Claude helps in reducing miscommunications and keeping the project on track.
Monitoring project progress is crucial in Agile environments to ensure timely delivery and quality outcomes. Claude offers real-time project dashboards that track key metrics such as task completion rates, resource utilization, and sprint velocity. These dashboards provide a visual representation of your project's health, allowing for quick identification of potential bottlenecks. With this data at your fingertips, you can make informed decisions that keep your project on the right track. Claude's monitoring tools empower teams to stay agile, adaptable, and focused on continuous improvement, ensuring that every project milestone is met with precision.
As your organization grows, so does the complexity of your projects. Scaling Agile practices with Claude helps maintain consistency and quality across larger teams and projects. With its robust set of tools, Claude facilitates the expansion of Agile methodologies without losing the core principles of flexibility and iteration. Whether you're dealing with multiple teams or larger projects, Claude ensures that everyone remains aligned and focused on common goals. By providing the necessary infrastructure and insights, Claude empowers organizations to scale their agile practices effectively, ensuring that growth doesn't compromise agility or project outcomes.
Now that you've seen how Claude can transform your agile software design process, it's time to take action. Implement the strategies we discussed today and watch as your workflows become more efficient and collaborative. We'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences with Claude in the comments below and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights on enhancing your agile practices. Let's continue this journey together towards smarter, more effective software design.